you ever imagined transforming the entire world into a giant playground? Parkour! It turns every wall, bench, or stairs into an incredible challenge. Get ready, because this sport is pure movement and adrenaline. But first, we need to test your ninja reflexes. Stand up, and when I say go, you're going to take a very high jump and land silently like a cat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! Wow, what a perfect landing! Parkour was born in France in the 80s. The goal is to overcome any obstacle in the fastest and most efficient way possible. Using only your body, you learn how to run, jump, climb, and the famous roll. And where do we practice? Everywhere. It can be in plazas, parks, or colorful gyms. In parkour, every corner of the city becomes an opportunity to create a new move with your friends. But remember, always respecting the space and other people. Practicing parkour gives you superpowers. It makes you super agile and improves your balance. Plus, it teaches us to never give up. See a challenge ahead? Take a deep breath and find a way to get through it. But watch out, athlete. Safety first. To be a parkour master, you need comfortable clothes and sneakers that don't slip. And most importantly, start with small movements. And always ask an instructor or an adult for help. Training safely is what makes a true champion. So, are you ready to transform the city into your playground? Tell us, did you already know about parkour? See you here at My First Sport next week. Bye-bye.